Rob, a curious boy with bright green eyes and tousled brown hair, and Katie, his equally adventurous friend with a bright smile and long pigtails, stumbled upon an ancient map tucked away in the dusty corner of their school library. It shimmered with an unnatural golden light. As they touched it simultaneously, a blinding flash engulfed them, and the world dissolved into a prehistoric landscape. Towering ferns brushed against their faces, and the air hung heavy with the scent of damp earth and unfamiliar plants. Volcanoes, their peaks shrouded in smoke, loomed in the distance. Before they could fully grasp their surroundings, a tiny Triceratops, no bigger than a large dog, darted past them, whimpering. Its name, they would later learn, was Tiko. Hot on his heels were three Velociraptors, their sharp claws glinting menacingly in the dappled sunlight. Instinct took over. Rob and Katie, forgetting their fear, guided the frightened Tiko into a nearby cave, just as the raptors screeched in frustration outside. The map, now glowing softly in Rob's hand, revealed more than just a picture of ancient lands. It was a key, a guide. The map showed them the location of a lost time crystal, nestled within the heart of the great volcano, the very volcano threatening to erupt and cause chaos across the land. Restoring the crystal was the only way to return home. Their journey was fraught with peril. They narrowly avoided a stampede of brontosauruses, their enormous feet shaking the ground. They swung precariously across a vine bridge that swayed dangerously over a rushing river. When confronted by a colossal Tyrannosaurus rex, it was Katie's knowledge of dinosaur behavior that saved them. She remembered from a documentary that T-Rexes had poor eyesight, and so they covered themselves in mud and remained perfectly still, fooling the giant beast. Finally, with the volcano rumbling ominously and smoke billowing around them, they reached the crystal's hidden chamber. With seconds to spare before a catastrophic eruption, they placed the time crystal into its designated spot. A brilliant portal opened, shimmering with the same golden light as the map. They jumped through, waving goodbye to a grateful Tiko, promising to visit again someday. Back in the library, the map lay innocently on the floor, its magic spent, a testament to their incredible adventure. They knew they would never forget their journey to the age of dinosaurs, a journey fueled by courage, friendship, and an enchanted map.